How to replace the massage mechanism harness on the Human Touch Certus massage chair. Be sure to keep all removed parts for use during reassembly. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Detach the back cover by removing the 4 screws that are securing it to the chair base. Position the massage mechanism to where you have access to the harness connectors by attaching one end of the plastic tube to a power drill and the other to the post on top of the motor. Detach the hook and loop fasteners securing the small fabric cover on the chair frame. Disconnect the harness connectors from the chair frame by pressing firmly on the tab to release. Cut all of the zip ties securing the harness to the chair frame and to the metal spring wire. It is important that the metal spring wire remains attached to the chair frame. Then, cut the zip ties securing the harness to the massage mechanism. Now, disconnect the harness connectors from the mechanism. Slide the metal supporting wire out to free the harness. Cut the zip ties securing the support wire to the harness. To install the new massage mechanism harness, first attach the metal supporting wire removed from the old harness to the fabric-covered end of the new harness, and secure with 2 zip ties. Cut any excess tie. Slide the supporting wire through the ridge and zip ties on the massage mechanism frame. Then, connect the connectors by color. You will hear a click when fully inserted. Replace the zip ties securing each connector together and cut any excess tie. Now, secure the connectors and harness to the mechanism frame with new zip ties and cut any excess tie. Ensure the harness is routed on the inside of the chair's metal frame, then slide the protective fabric cover on the harness down to expose the plastic wire covering. You will then need to insert the metal spring wire about 4 inches into the plastic covering, feel for the looped end underneath the plastic, and then use a new zip tie above the wire loop to secure. Gently pull on the wire to ensure it cannot be pulled out of the plastic covering. Cut the excess tie. Then slide the protective fabric cover back over the plastic covering and insert a new zip tie through the opening in the fabric cover to secure around the connector bundle. Cut any excess tie. Route the harness along the metal spring wire and secure with a new zip tie on each side of the spring. Ensure the harness is in front of the spring. Now, use new zip ties to secure the connector bundle together between the metal spring wire and chair frame. Then route the rest of the harness along the inside of the chair's metal frame, securing with new zip ties. Ensure the zip ties are not covering the holes needed to secure the back cover to the frame. Insert the harness connectors to the chair frame by color. You will hear a click when fully inserted. Cut any excess tie. Replace the small fabric cover over the chair frame and press the hook and loop fasteners together to secure. Ensure the holes needed to secure the back cover to the frame are not covered. Plug the chair back in and turn the power switch to on. Test the massage mechanism to ensure the harness moves freely as the mechanism moves along the full length of the track. Turn the power switch to off, then unplug the chair. Finally, slide the back cover onto the chair, matching the tabs to their corresponding spaces on the upper backrest, then secure the backrest to the chair frame using the 4 screws previously removed.